हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू प्रोटैलेंट एंड आई एम नितिन परमार। माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपका स्वागत है आज के इस सेशन के अंदर जहां पे हम NMIMS के सभी प्रोग्राम्स के बारे में डिटेल्स जानेंगे। दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ एडमिशन प्रोसेस काउंसलिंग सेशन बाय प्रोटैलेंट एंड इफ यू आर in 12th standard, if you are interested in NMIMS Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Shirpur campus, then this is a very important video. In this video, I am going to talk about varieties of the undergraduate programs available at NMIMS through an NPAT examination. Before I move further, let me give you one clarity. NMIMS University is a separate university. Then NM College, Mithibai College, ठीक है, Ushan Praveen Gandhi College. These colleges are under Mumbai University. This is NMIMS University. It is a deemed to be university. Okay, let's understand these programs. Majorly, they have total 6 programs available. One is commerce. Okay, second is called economics, liberal arts, branding and advertising, international studies and management. Okay, these are the programs available on their site. Now commerce has few programs available. So whenever you have a commerce program, okay, these are the options available for you. 3 important programs. One, BBA. Second, BSC Finance. Third, BCom Honors. These are the programs available. Let me show it to you when you are applying for this. So you have to apply for commerce, then you say select commerce here, and then you select, let's say, BBA program. Okay, so when you are selecting a BBA program, wherever this BBA programs are available, okay, in all campuses, you can very well apply to this program. So दोस्तों, अगर आप एक मैनेजमेंट कोर्स में जाना चाहते हैं, ठीक है, मैनेजमेंट के अंदर आपको मार्केटिंग, फाइनेंस, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, बिहेवियर, ऑल दोस प्रोग्राम्स इज व्हाट यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन, देन यू कैन वेरी वेल गो फॉर इट. ठीक है, सो दिस इज वेरी कंटेम्पोररी प्रोग्राम. ठीक है, केस स्टडी बेस्ड प्रोग्राम, हाईली रिगरस program academically, ठीक है, and it is also improving your skills. So that's a wonderful program. Eligibility criteria, remember this. ठीक है, this is very important. ठीक है, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को कंफ्यूजन होता है. लेट मी मेक इट वेरी क्लियर. इफ यू आर अप्लाइंग फॉर BBA प्रोग्राम, 10+2 is an eligibility criteria. Minimum 60% marks are needed, plus you must have mathematics or statistics for Mumbai, Navi Mumbai and Bangalore campus. If you are applying for any other campus for a BBA course, then maths is not compulsory. Maths is compulsory for Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, Bangalore campus. For which program? BBA. Okay, is that very clear? Great. ठीक है, if I talk about, you can say BSC Finance. BSC Finance also requires mathematics compulsory. ठीक है, if I talk about BCom Honors, ठीक है, BCom Honors also require maths compulsory for 3 campus, which is Mumbai, Navi Mumbai and Bangalore. Okay, that's important. Now let's see what is the fee structure for this program and how many seats are available. Look at this. Mumbai has 600 seats. Navi Mumbai 180 seats. ठीक है, Bangalore 240, Hyderabad 60, Indore 120, Dhule 60, Chandigarh 120. Okay, and respective fee structures are mentioned here so that you get a complete idea that exactly what fee structure is what you are looking at. Okay. Now if you are looking at BSc Finance, ठीक है, let's see what is the number of seats. Number of seats at Mumbai is 180 and the fee structure is 3,20,000 and 3,10,000. That's a reasonably high cost, but if you are going for it, could be a good idea. BCom Honors, ठीक है, the number of seats are somewhere around 180, 120, 120 and the fee structures are provided here. I'm sure it is very clear to you. You are very aware about this. Okay, चलिए, ग्रेट. तो ये तो हुआ आपका, you can say, normal NMIMS का part, which is connected to your, you can say, commerce part. Now let's say if I am interested in economics program, which is offering BSc Economics. So as a, you can say, commerce student, am I eligible? Yes. ठीक है, it is 10+2 with mathematics. Okay, 10 plus 2 with mathematics is needed. 60% is a minimum criteria, and the fee structures are provided here. The BSc Economics program is available only at 3 campuses: Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, and Bangalore. So when you appear for NPAT exam, based on your NPAT score, okay, you can give your preferences for these colleges. Okay, that's very important for you to know. Okay, let's move forward. Let's see liberal studies program. This is BA Honors Liberal Studies. Okay, now it is very interesting that it is available only at Mumbai as of now. The fees are very high, approximately 5 lakh rupees. I believe it is very costly, but as the liberal studies program provides, you can say, students in a very active and guided learning program, it is wonderful. Eligibility is only 10 plus 2. Okay, so that is available in a Mumbai campus only. Okay, so liberal studies, BA Honors Liberal Studies is available only and only at Mumbai. Then you have a branding and advertising. That's a wonderful program they started. Okay, so this program is available once again only at Mumbai with 180, you can say, intake, and fee structure is approximately 4 lakh rupees. What is an eligibility criteria? Do you need, you can say, mathematics in it? No, you don't need mathematics. It is 10 plus 2. That is how. So you can appear for NPAT, get a BBA branding and advertising course without maths as well. So if you are not a math student, you can very well go for it. Okay, so all this information are getting clear in your head. That's what I'm assuming. In case you have a question or query, you can put that into comment box. Will be good. Now this is an interesting course they started called International, you can say, Business. Now this International Business program, okay, is, you can say, very important. It is Center for International Studies, which is collaboration with Kingston Business School, Kingston University, London. So it is the program connected from them. Okay, is that very clear? What about their, you can say, fee structure? Okay, it is, you can say, 4 lakh rupees is the fee structure, and this is available only at Mumbai. Okay, so remember, this program is available with a Kingston University. Okay, let me go to another program before we quickly wind up today's, you can say, this module. This is Management BB, you can say, MM, which is, you can say, Bachelor in Business Administration and Marketing program. Okay, this is available at Mumbai. Okay, and it doesn't require math. Okay, so once again, let me remind you one more time. Okay, and the fee structure is also, we can see, it is 5,25,000 rupees. Okay, now, so those students who are planning for NMIMS program, they should know that which course they wish to apply. So commerce is a section where you can apply for BBA program or BSc Finance or BCom Honors. Okay, there you need maths compulsory. Okay, economics, BSc Economics, you need math compulsory. Liberal arts program, you don't need math as a compulsory part. You go for branding, advertising, you don't need math as a compulsory part. International studies is a Kingston University course. It is not an Indian university, so it is not UGC approved, but that's an international body which is acceptable. In case you are interested for that program, you can very well go for that. And management BBMM is also another, you can say, BBA program, okay, where you don't need math. Okay, so math is compulsory for commerce and eco course. Okay, that is BBA, BSc Finance, okay, BCom and BSc Economics, and that too in 3 campus, which is Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, and Bangalore. Rest of the other places, you don't need any compulsory math. Is that very clear to everyone? Is this very, you can say, clear about the fee structure and every information about NMIMS? Yes, and this is very simple. You can simply apply from this particular button. I click on it and I can get into application process, which is very simple. I have to register myself in NMIMS and I can get it. Okay, is that comfortable? Great. Dosto, in case you have any query with respect to NMIMS application, do let me know in the comment box. We will be more than happy to respond to all your queries. Okay, thank you very much for watching this and all the best.